Flashy Flash from One Punch Man. Haven't drawn One Punch Man in ages. So, let's draw a portrait of Flashy. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Reading the manga, following it. There's a lot of nothing happening at the minute, but, you know, a lot of dialogue, let's just say. Let's draw Flashy. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Center point of my page about here. Come up over to the right. Draw those slender eyes. So, yeah, go diagonal. Typical kind of anime, but real skinny, right? Right, kind of spiky that way. Bottom eyelid. Kind of dark in the corner there. And then tear duct again. Depends on how you like to draw eyes. Some in the anime, sometimes they leave a gap here. I'm not gonna. I think he's got some like lines around here as well. Iris looking up always makes a character look more serious when they do this. Okay. And then his eyebrow. Just above, kind of like pretty close to his eye actually. It's just a little tick, like a check mark. Just going that way. Add a part just that you can color kind of blonde. And then there's a bit of an eyelid line. Not much, but it's something. Okay, we'll go over and do the other eye just across. Just here, and then goes underneath his hair on this side, but we'll just draw it in anyway. And we can cover it with the hair after. And then a bit spiky here in the corner. And then the bottom eyelid line just here. Iris, half circle. Again, just kind of looking up. And eyebrow. So again, tick. Again, this goes underneath his hair, but so we can't really see it, but we'll draw it in because it's kind of easier. And then eyelid line here. And then the start of his nose sort of comes from the eyebrow this way. And then they draw the whole thing in nearly. Down like that. And we can just see kind of a nostril on that side. And then a nostril there. And we'll do some extra lines just kind of around his eye here as well. So his mouth kind of just like flat. And bottom lip. and then chin, like so. So we can see a little bit of his jaw on this side. Hair comes down this way, and more of the jaw on this side. You can actually see it go up to the eyebrow even nearly. And then earlobe in there. So the rest is kind of like long hair. So it kind of looks like Saitama if we just do a bald head. It's funny. So let's go with hair though. Right, and then he has some hair that covers his eyes, but I won't cover the eyes completely because it can be a bit tricky. Like they cover it a good bit. So what I will do is I'll go down this way, kind of around his eye here, right? So I won't cover everything. Might do a little bit of a look, make it look like there's a strand gap or something there. Sorry now, but my kids are shouting as usual. Right, so then there's like long there. There's all texture lines on this side. Sort of lines in his ear there. And then there's a long strand that goes this way. He also has these like jewels in his hair. Sparkly things. Right. And then there's all texture. I'll just draw the texture of the hair, and we'll draw those stars that seem to go over his head, right? So we'll just get like all the hair filled in kind of thing. And then if we need to erase stuff or color over stuff, we can do that. Right, and then you just keep adding as much texture as you want, right? So, you know, like stuff like this. And then we go around the other side. Now the wind seems to be kind of blowing his hair this way. So we'll go out here somewhere. And again, you can do this any old way. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. They do lots of strands of hair sticking out here. So it's kind of a personal choice thing. This kind of should spike here as well. Okay, so he's got like a cloak on, and then those stars, right? So kind of his neck, say, you can see a bit of it here. Neck muscles. And then this cloak kind of like wraps underneath. Lots of folding fabric lines. So it goes that way and then down this way. So lots of stuff sort of in behind his hair now, which is kind of annoying, but we got to do it. Lots of these bumps then. Not so much. His hair seems to be tucked in on this side. Okay. And then there's like chest armor in here. What's that? Those stars. This is cloak. And there's like some lines of chest armor there. So we have to make this look more like fabric, okay? So doing all this kind of thing to kind of build it up. Right, then on underneath the hair we gotta do some. And then, so there's more hairlines in here. Okay. So that's like his cloak, his armor. Yeah, so now we need to do those stars that he has in his hair. In the manga, they're just black, but in the anime, they're glowing sort of blue. So let's try this. So spiky little stars. And they're kind of jaggedy. They're not like perfect. They're not like perfect stars. Right, just kind of two there, two over this side. Two here. These ones are pretty big. The side of this one here. Okay. And of course, like any of the cloak stuff, you know, you shouldn't see it underneath So you color over those lines or erase them. Oh, I think that's everything. Did I miss anything? Hope not. Just trying to fix up the eyes here a bit. Okay. Flashy Flash from One Punch Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.